Ski-Doo continues to redefine the sport of snowmobiling with the industry's first semi-active suspension, Smart Shox. Using innovative KYB Shock Technology, the new Smart Shox system automatically calibrates your sled suspension based on terrain and rider input to give you the optimal ride through any conditions. Using 5 strategically placed sensors matched with electronically controlled KYB Pro Smart Shox, this new system takes the ride to incredible new heights by instantaneously reading the terrain and communicating that information to the Suspension Damping Control Unit, or SDCU software. The SDCU, in turn, interprets the information and actively manages shock valving in milliseconds to control both compression and rebound for the optimal ride. The automatic adjustments happen up to 50 times per second. What does this mean for a rider? Smart Shox actively controls vehicle pitch and roll in cornering, acceleration, and braking scenarios. To achieve this, the system actively monitors several criteria: shock position, shock speed, vehicle speed, RPM, throttle position, and steering angle. As a rider, this means your chassis stays flatter and you stay in complete command of every twist and turn on the trail. Cornering and braking aren't the only situations where riders will reap the benefits of Smart Shox. This highly sophisticated system also offers incredible capacity and comfort through bumps. The system will stiffen or soften the shocks depending on the size of the bumps, as well as the pace you're riding at. It also recognizes hang time, so if you're in the air for any amount of time, it sends a signal to the shocks to stiffen up for the landing, and has anti-bottoming programming to isolate the rider from harsh jolts. Smart Shox also improves launch when taking off from a standstill. Through its constant measurement of vehicle parameters, the system will eliminate unnecessary sled squat to give riders the perfect weight transfer every time they hit the throttle. 3 distinct modes, controlled by a rocker switch on the console, gives riders a choice of more compliant or more sport-oriented tuning curves. Whether you're attacking whooped-out weekend trails, carving through tight corners, or taking on the friendly competition at your local radar runs, the all-new Smart Shox system from Ski-Doo gives you the perfect ride every time you get behind the bars.